Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11th. Act 2 scene 1 is going on, and here we are here the speech of Sebastian. Yes, the speech of Sebastian here. We would do, he says, we would do so and then go a bat fowling. Sebastian says, we would do so and then go bird hunting in the dark. Go bird hunting in the dark. Antonio says, nay, good my lord, be not angry. Antonio says, now, my good lord, do not be angry. Gonzalo says, no, I warrant you, I will not adventure my discretion so weakly. Will you laugh me asleep? For I am very heavy. Gonzalo says, no, I assure you, I would not lose my reputation. In my commonwealth, I would not lose my reputation for good sense, but good sense by such a weakness. Will you put me to sleep with your laughter? For I am very drowsy. He says, Gonzalo says, I am feeling very drowsy. Will you please put me to sleep with your laughter? Antonio says, go, sleep and hear us. Antonio says, yes, go to sleep by listening to our laughter. We will laugh and you go and sleep. All sleep except Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio. All sleep except Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio. Alonso says, what? All so soon asleep? I wish mine eyes would with themselves shut up my thoughts. I find they are inclined to do so. Alonso says, what? Have all of them fallen asleep so soon? I wish that I could end my worrying thoughts. I wish that I could end my worrying thoughts with some sleep. I also want to sleep, but the worrying thoughts prevent me to do so. I am inclined to do so. I am liking hard to sleep, but in vain. Sebastian says, please you, sir, do not omit the heavy offer of it. It seldom visits sorrow, when it doth, it is a comforter. Sebastian says, sir, do not neglect the opportunity the sleep provides. It seldom comes to them who are sorrowful. It seldom comes to them who are sorrowful. When it comes, it is a comforter. Sleep. He says about the sleep, it seldom comes to them who are sorrowful. When it comes, it is a comforter. It gives comfort. Antonio says, we too, my lord, will guard your person while you take your rest and watch your safety. Antonio says, the two of us, my lord, will guard you while you rest and will watch over your safety. You know that Antonio and Sebastian have planned to kill Alonso. They have plotted to kill Alonso. So they want that the King Alonso should sleep and they could success in their plan. Alonso says, "Thank you, wondrous heavy. Thank you, I am very sleepy. You will guard me, so I am going to sleep." Alonso sleeps. Exit Ariel. Sebastian says, "What a strange drowsiness possesses them. What a strange sleep has overcome them. They are sleeping. They are sleeping very soundly." Antonio says, "It is the quality on the climate. It is the," he says, Antonio says, "it is due to the climate of this place." They are sleeping soundly as the climate of this place is very pleasant. That's why they are sleeping. Sebastian says, "Why? Why doth it not then our eyelids sink? I find not myself disposed to sleep." Sebastian says, "If it is so, then why does it not make our eyes heavy with sleep too? Why? I am not inclined to sleep. I have no intention to sleep. I am not liking to sleep." Antonio says, "Nor I. Neither you nor I. My spirits are nimble. They fell together all as by consent. They dropped as by a thunder stroke. What might, worthy Sebastian, oh, what might, no more. And yet methinks I see it in thy face, what thou shouldst be. The occasion speaks thee, and my strong imagination sees a crown dropping upon thy head." Antonio incites Sebastian to kill Alonso, and he says, he flatters and says, "Neither you sleep nor I. My thoughts are alert. My spirits are nimble. They fell asleep together as if by common agreement. They dropped down as if struck down by thunder. Happen what might, whatever may be. Worthy Sebastian, but I shall say no more. You see in your face what you cherish in your heart. You see in your face what you cherish, what you nurture with care in your heart. The opportunity offers itself to you." Antonio says, incites Sebastian, that you see in your face what you cherish in your heart. The opportunities offers itself to you. I see a crown descending on your head. I see a crown on your head. You may be the king of Naples. Sebastian says, "What, art thou waking?" Sebastian had no intention to kill his own brother Alonso. So he says, "What? Are you awake? Are you in the senses?" Antonio says, Do you not hear me speak? Do you not hear me speak? I am speaking, so it means I am in my senses. Sebastian says, I do, and surely it is a sleepy language, and thou speakest out of thy sleep. I do. I can hear you speak, and surely you talk. Your talk is of a man talking in his sleep. Your talk is of a man talking in his sleep. What was it you to said? What was it you said? What is it thou didst say? What is your meant? What is meant by what you said? This is a strange kind of sleep. This is a strange repose, to be asleep with eyes wide open, standing, speaking, moving, and yet so fast asleep. This is a strange kind of sleep. To be asleep with your eyes open, to be speaking, standing, moving, and at the same time fast asleep. How is it possible? Same time, the same time fast asleep. Antonio says, noble Sebastian, thou lettest thy fortune sleep, die rather, winkst while thou art waking. Antonio says, noble Sebastian, you are letting your fortune sleep. You are not taking the opportunity that your fortune has given you. You are letting your fortune sleep, or rather die. By closing your eyes, you miss your chance. By closing your eyes, you miss your chance. Sebastian says, thou dost snore distinctly. There is meaning in thy snores. Sebastian says, you snore. No, snore means talk here, in your sleep. There is some meaning in what you talk. Some hidden meaning. There is some hidden meaning in what you talk. Antonio says, I am more serious than my custom. You must be so too, if heed me, which to do troubles thee over. Antonio says, I am more serious than I am accustomed to be. I am more serious than I am accustomed to be. You must be so too. You must be serious. If you listen to my advice and act accordingly, it will make you thrice as great as you are now. Your position will raise you thrice, 3 times as great as you are now. Sebastian says, well, I am standing water. Sebastian says, I am motionless as stagnant water. Motionless water. Antonio says, I will teach you how to flow. I will teach you how to flow. I shall show you which way to follow. And what does he teach? You will know in my next video. Thank you so much, everybody.